Welcome to Graphic Tutorials. In today's video, I'll teach you the process of creating the perfect Instagram post in Photoshop. So, I will show you how I designed this social media post. Okay, so this is the flyer we're going to work on. So, to start without wasting much of our time, let's get started. Okay. So let's start with a clean workspace. Let's close this. Let's start with a clean workspace. Okay. So I'm using Photoshop 2019. Okay, you can use any version of Photoshop you like. Okay. So here, let's go. Let's hit create. So let me use 10 by 10 inches. In pixels it is 10,000 by 10,000 pixels, so I'll be using inches. Okay, so let's say Instagram post. Okay, hit create. So let's first create our background. So go to adjustment layer, solid color. So I'm going to pick color from here. So use a color we are going to use for the background. Okay, so the color code is FF3D3D. Okay, so that's the color code. Hit create, then right click, grab your ellipse tool, drag and drop it here. Okay, change it to white. If your own is not in white, pick white, then press Ctrl T for free transform, increase, rotate it, then expand this. Okay, hit OK, press Ctrl S to save. Let's save our desktop. So guys, if today is your first time coming to my channel, kindly go to my channel and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I drop new video. Okay, I hope you have done that. So let's continue. So the next thing we're going to do is to start bringing all the resources I use for the project, and I will embed the link in the description below so that you'll be able to download all the resources I used for this project. Okay, so let's go. Let me go to download. I've already worked on the picture. I'll give you access to download them and use it for your own project. Okay, so this is it. Press enter. So grab rectangle tool and draw and drop it here. Change it to black. Okay, Ctrl S to save. So next thing we'll do is to bring in the next other things I used for this. Okay, so let me bring in this shoe. So if you're a beginner, make sure you don't skip any part in this video. This is a quick tutorial. So let's highlight let's reduce the opacity of this to this. Okay, so I think the opacity is okay like this. Ctrl S to save. So let me bring in the next image. Reduce the size, keep it somewhere here. So let's drag in the next image, this shoe. Reduce the opacity. Ctrl S to save. So grab your ellipse tool, hold shift and draw it. Keep it somewhere here. Change it to black. Shift this, Ctrl T. Keep it somewhere here. Shift this. Okay, so I want it to have a little shadow at the back. Okay, so double click on it, drop shadow. So this is my settings. Opacity is in 35. This is normal. Distance 0. Spread 24. Size 177. Then leave everything to default. Press OK. So let's type in our text. 50% off. Okay. Press Ctrl T for free transform. Increase the size. Ctrl T. Use this next. Okay. Change it to white. Let me leave it to yellow. Ctrl S to save. So let's type in another text. Let's type super cell. Ctrl T for free transform. So let's change the font. Let's change the font to this green code. So I will also give you a link to download this font. Okay, so change this to white. Ctrl T, full transform, increase the size, bring this down a little. Ctrl G to group, bring this down, then bring this down. Okay, Ctrl T, right click, skew, drag it up. Okay, so let's bring everything down. Ctrl T, reduce this, reduce all of them. Okay, so take the shoe back. Okay, so bring it front. Let's increase them a little. Ctrl T. Ctrl T. This is okay, like this. Close this. Ctrl S to save. So let's type in the next test. This weekend special offer. Ctrl T. So let's find a font for it. Let's use default font Arial bold. Ctrl T. Right click, skew. Okay, so select the text tool, keep it on this special and move it. Use your space bar to move it. Okay, then pick yellow from this place. So I want the two to have the same yellow color. Okay, so let's change this. Let's change this font. Let's change it to lowercase. It's in uppercase. Let's change it to lowercase. Okay. Okay, this is better. Double click on it. Let's add a little shadow on it. So reduce the size, change the position, reduce the opacity. Hit create. Ctrl T for this special offer. Reduce the size. Ctrl S to save. So when I click on this, go to custom shape. So this is the one I'm picking. Press enter and apply it. Okay, so this is it. Ctrl S to save. So guys, let's summarize this design. Hold Ctrl your keyboard, Shift Alt, and press E to merge all this layer. Then go to File, Camera Raw. Increase the clarity a little bit to 13. That's all, and hit OK. Ctrl S to save. Ctrl Shift S to save as. Then save it as image. Okay. So this is the final result of this tutorial. Okay, this is a quick one, so if you're a beginner, make sure you watch it to the end, okay, so that you understand everything I did in it. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, and if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll be happy to attend to your question. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.